Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in an Infiniti QX60. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You'll need fresh engine oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a wrench, and a jack with jack stands for safety. Make sure your engine is slightly warm, not hot, as this helps the old oil drain more efficiently. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful oil change process. Now let's get that old oil out. Safely lift the front of your Infiniti QX60 using a jack, then secure it firmly with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan, and place your drain pan directly underneath. Carefully remove the plug, allowing all the old, dirty oil to drain out completely. This step is crucial for introducing fresh, clean oil. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Remove the old oil filter and apply a thin film of new oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter. This helps create a good seal. Install the new filter, tightening it by hand until it's snug, but don't over-tighten. Finally, replace the drain plug securely, making sure it's tight enough to prevent any leaks. Almost done. Now, add the recommended amount of new engine oil, usually around 5 to 6 quarts, through the oil fill cap. Start your engine and let it run for a minute, then check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and then check the oil level on the dipstick, adding more if needed. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.